Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria.
The management of the Federal Fire Service has expressed deep regrets over the tragic incident that occurred around 11 p.m. on Friday at the Echoes Junction in Wose to Abuja, where a collision between one of its rescue trucks and a Toyota Camry resulted in the loss of 3 young lives and left one survivor injured. The National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Person has rescued a 2-year-old girl trafficked from Abuja to Abia State and sold for 100,000 naira. The trafficker Chiamaka Favor was arrested by DSS. NAPTIP urged the girl's parents or relatives to come forward to claim her. Now move to Borno State. The Vanguard senior reporter for Borno and Yobe State, Comrade Inusandahi Marama, has been re-elected as the chairman of the correspondent chapters of the Nigerian Union of Journalists (NUJ) Borno State chapter. He defeated his opponent, Mr. Benga of Gatekeepers Online. Now, insecurity. At least 8 persons were killed following an attack by armed Fulani militants on farmers in Wukari local government area of near the Taraba-Benue border on Saturday. 2 immigration officers were shot in the Sabon Ido area of Abuja on Friday night after being mistaken for armed robbers by a man identified as Pastor Darlington. According to police, the incident occurred at about 10 p.m. when the officers were en routine movement in the area. Troops of 24 Task Force Brigade Operation Harinkai have ambushed fleeing Boko Haram terrorists, leading to recovering of 2 corpses and disruptions of enemies' movement in the Kwa local government area of Borno State. Still on insecurity, the Kano State Police Command has announced the arrest of 78 suspects for various offenses including robbery, drug dealing, among others, between April and May. Commissioner of Police CP Ibrahim Adamu Bakori revealed this during a press briefing at police headquarters on Friday. Now, politics. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Jigawa State has successfully held its state congress, electing new executive members to lead the party for the next 4 years. The congress, which was held at Aminu Kano Triangle in Dutse, the state capital. The national chairman of APC, Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, has defended the increasing wave of defections from the opposition parties to the ruling APC, insisting that the prospects of a one-party state is not inherently problematic if it is emerged through democratic consensus. Still on politics, PDP declared legal war over stolen mandate as defections hit 82, with 82 lawmakers across both federal and state level abandoning the party. For APC, the opposition party is now navigating one of its deepest crises since 2015. Now, from the international scene, Russian President Vladimir Putin has proposed direct talks with Ukraine in Istanbul on May 15 without preconditions to achieve the lasting peace and eliminate the root causes on the 3-year conflict. The Nigerian junta have detained 3 journalists working for the Independent Sahara FM radio station, marking the latest crackdown on press freedom since the military seized power in 2023. For more updates, you can subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.